Hello, how you doing? Going to make this today, corned beef. Now in the UK, corned beef is very different than what you call it in the States. In the UK, it's a can of beef, canned beef. Nice and easy, potatoes, bit of spices, some onions, garlic, fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the first thing we've got to get out of the way is corned beef. In the UK, corned beef is this. It's a canned beef. I think in the States, corned beef is a completely different thing, isn't it? And yeah, it's not canned. So this is corned beef, a canned kind of compact beef. This is a nice budget recipe. So we're going to start off with some potatoes. Let me just grab a spoon. In here I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use any oil you want. I've got about 4 tablespoons. And here I've got 3 cups of potatoes that I've peeled. And as you can see, I've cut them fairly small. Slightly above medium heat. We're just going to throw these around in the pan for like 4 to 5 minutes. So still hard, but on their way. We're now going to add a cup of onion, add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt and pepper, and we're going to continue cooking for another 3 or 4 minutes. Stir often. Okay, so the onions, garlic, potatoes all cooking really nicely now. Now I'm going to add some spice. Now you can go in any direction you want. I'm going to be going with a teaspoon of chili powder and cumin. I mean, you don't have to put any spice in if you don't want to. You can just go just straight like that. Or think about, you know, whatever. Oregano, thyme, rosemary, marjoram, basil, bit of curry powder. Anything works, doesn't it? Now time for the corned beef or canned beef. We're going to mush this in, fold it in, and we're going to cook for another 4 or 5 minutes. It will break down as it heats up. Okay, off goes the heat. Just make sure that your potatoes are tender, and that's done. Beautiful stuff. And that's it. Nice, simple, cheap, easy. Well, it's actually not that cheap anymore. It used to be a very cheap meat, or a canned sort of meat, but not anymore. Delicious, but easy to get together. It's often served with some, you know, fried eggs or some scrambled eggs, something like that. Now, I did just find out that the British, this is Google, not me, the British invented the term corned beef back in the 17th century. And it was something to do with the crystals of the salt there to, you know, to cure the meat. But yeah, completely different than you guys in America call it. But that's it. Nice, easy meal. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.